So guys, in this video I'm going to share you a very high effective method of how you can easily earn from Monitech like I am earning from Adsterra. Same method I will use, and the method is very simple. You just need a Monitech account and a direct link. You can use 5 direct link, 4 direct link, any direct link you want, and you need a $10 script. This code is must be need. Okay, otherwise if I think cannot work on this project. Okay, so the project is very simple. I need a direct link for Monitech from blogger, and I will add $10 skip. The target is per day $10. Okay, now it's plus minus, I know. Actually I am working on this, but my April exit calculation is very good. Okay, so this method is very effective, and who know that how to trend analysis Dr. Doom type of content now is on the top hype in US market. Okay, from top to bottom, all type of content like in social media, MCU and Dr. Doom is top on this list. Okay, and if anyone working on this project, anyone working on this trend, on this search topic, they are getting traffic, and I know it's proven method. And if you follow this method, I hope you will get traffic. You know what, you always think, why not I am getting traffic, I am working also same way. But no, the proper marketing way, you must know how actually this work. And everything you see in the internet is actually planning a proper planning. So for Reddit, I will use a marketing strategy. First I will ask a question. The question is very simple to get the best answer. So I am asking ChatGPT that what is the secret mission of Dr. Doom. This is very high topic, and this topic is most hype. If you see any reels, you will see the reels. Okay, so after that, you see this question is ready. Now I will ask ChatGPT that make a question answer. Okay, with comics, that means comics reference. Okay, so this reference is must be need, and after that your post will be ready. This is a very simple way to generate this type of post from ChatGPT. And after that, you know what, when you complete this is a valuable content for those comics lover who actually want to know what is Dr. Doom's secret mission. Even I don't know what is actually the main secret mission of the Dr. Doom. And after that, you will see that the result, and you need to copy the text from here and then paste it in a blogger. Okay, so when you paste it in a blogger, you need to open a new post, and after that you need to make a compose view, and then paste the text in here. And see, everything is ready now. You need to now open image, and the image is very simple, and see, you need to collect it from Google, and this very easy to collect. It's very easy. So after that, you just now go to HTML view mode and paste the script in here. Okay, it's very simple things. You need to now paste the script in here. That's actually the main thing I am gonna do. The script is $10 script, and you need to copy the script from here. So just copy the script from here, and after that copy the script from here and paste it in the blog section. See, okay, I just missed the copy, and paste it in here. And you see the direct link will now replace with the Monitech direct link. That's actually the game. Okay, see, I don't have a website, but I'm using Blogger to do this marketing. See, just paste it in here, and again paste it in here. That's it. So you see, when you paste in here, the post actually ready. After this, the post actually ready. And now you need to do the timing setup. It's very simple. The timing setup you will do 14 to 15,000. That means seconds. It will act as a seconds. So don't miss any point of this video. Otherwise you'll miss the important things. So after set up all things in here, you just need to now see a review and then give a title also. After that your post will be ready. So let's give a title now. Okay, before publish I need to give a title. Copy then paste it in here, then publish. So see, now it's ready. And my next target is now marketing this link in Reddit. So the topic is simple. Always click on popular. This is also a method. Always click on popular and then click and marketing only those posts who have got minimum 10k to 10k above like. Okay, just copy this and okay, title, copy the title and in the comment section paste the title in here. And after that you need the link of the your post, and it's very simple. See, already Monitech direct link is working on this blog. So copy that link from here or from the blog post and paste it in here. That's it. Enter and paste it in here. Now edit the link. Actually it's very simple. Edit the link in here and click on the the secret of Dr. Doom. That's it. And after that click on save button and click on comment. So the minimum requirement of the post is everything is ready. You need to do same things repeated time in a day. Make minimum 20 comments. Okay, minimum 20 comments you need to do in this type of post, and that's it. And every day target only 20 or 13 comments every day. You will see the result. I already have shared so many videos on Reddit and I already shared result how actually this type of work get result very easily. So find the engaging post, share your link in there and see the link actually how work. I will show you the real life example. When reader will read this post, okay, he don't need to click on anything. This post will automatically redirect in a Monitech direct link. That's the actually secret. And by using this method you can use any kind of direct link without any .com or website. You use direct link in your blogger and marketing in various platforms. Reddit is top #1. You can do the same method in Pinterest. I will try to share you how to make more way, like you can get views from reels also. It's actually a working method. I think I will share this in the next video if I can set up all things. Okay, so guys, for the next video I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to share your thought on how actually you are earning from online. Thank you guys.